Fáilte roimh arás. Welcome back. Follow me, Mish Gaeilge. Let's learn Irish. Section 18 on Banc Teanga. The Language Bank. Súil Siar, looking back, review. On Banc Teanga, the Language Bank. Bahanach a 28 go dtí 36, page 28 to 36. So the following pages are some activities that you can do to review the material that we've covered in this unit. All of the directions are given on the pages in both English and Irish, but we'll go through them briefly, and then at the end of this you'll pause it, you can work your way through them, and when you're ready you can come back and the answers will be here on the slides. On Banc Teanga, on áireacht. Pronunciation. Lé na habartí seo a leanas. Read the following sentences. Tá an sína fada in asnamh. The sína fada is missing. Cuir isteach an sína fada sna háite na cuí. Put the sína fada in the correct places. For example, conna sa tá tú. Well, we're missing the fada on the two. So lay tríd, read through them, put in your fadas, and then at the end of this, the answers will be on the final slides. So topic seo, pléach fúmnú na litrica dí leathan agus dí chwail. Lé na focail seo leanas agus scríomh dí leathan nó dí chwail sna spásna. Pronunciation of the letter D was looked at in this unit. A broad D and a narrow D. Read the following words and write dí leathan or dí chwail in the spaces provided. An féidir leat suíomh ar aon sampla eile de dí leathan nó dí chwail. Can you think of any other examples of broad D and slender D? An Gaeltacht. Ascríomh ainmneacha na bailte Gaeltachta seo a leanas a gceart. Rewrite the names of the Gaeltacht towns correctly. You can refer to your map for this. Mar hampla Ibrahim, for example, number 1, Guidor. Cén chanúnt le na muine na ceistena seo a leanas. What dialects are the following questions? So match the dialect with the form of asking how are you. Na hibrecha, láirgeara fochail, the numbers, word search. Tá na hibrecha a 1 go dtí 10 scríofa híos. The numbers 1 to 10 are written below. Tarring lína ar na hibrecha, draw a number through the line. Draw a line through the numbers. An bhfuil tú ar an eolas faoi aon agrachtaí iad a cheantar a dhéanann iarracht an Gaeilge a chur chun cinn, a chur an ranganna ar fáil nó chur an imeachtaí Gaeilge ar fáil ar nós ceol traidisiúnta na hÉireann, rinca Gaelach nó sport na hÉireann, pell, amáníocht, cammógaíocht, líróid láimhe. Feadh amach agus scríobh na hibrecha telefón síos an seo I bhfoirm ibrecha agus I bhocail. Do you know about any organizations in your area that try to promote Irish, offer classes or Irish events like traditional music, Irish dance, Irish sport, football, hurling, camogie, handball? Do some research and write the numbers here in numbers and in words. Ag Bualadh duine. Rannóg an freagra ceart I ngach ceann de na habartí híos. Select the correct answer in each of the sentences below. Mar hampla Ibrahim, Diarmid is anam, dom. Cadiad na ceistena. What are the questions? So write out the questions to the following answers. Ag Bualadh duine. Lé an chóra seo in iomláine, an sin críochnaigh an chórá. Ag buint úsáide as na habartaí atá sa bhosca ag bán an leithnig. Bhí cinnte go raibhníonn tú an freagra cuí. Read the following conversation, Then complete the conversation using the sentences in the box at the end of the page. Be sure to select the correct answer. So read through the following greetings and questions and then find the correct answer for each one in the box below. Profile, Irul, virtual profile. On the next couple of pages, you will be filling in your virtual profile with information like your name, your address, your telephone number, your status, etc. We'll be using this throughout the rest of this unit, so this week we'll just fill in the first couple of entries. Profile, Irul. Cén tanam atá ort? No, cad é danam? No, cad is anam dit? So on this page, fill in your name, anam, curstach, the anam, agus cad é diver telephone. What's your telephone number? Scríb isteach diver telephone. Write in your telephone number. On Banc Teanga, Fragri, the next couple of slides are the answer key for the previous activities in Banc Teanga. So pause the recording, and when you have them complete, come back here and you'll be able to check them, or you can check them from the lecture notes. These are the answers to Banc Teanga on Áireacht. A. Conas atá tú. B. Tá mé go maith. C. Dírit. D. Buíochas le dia. E. Slán a teáin. F. Cad é diver telephone. G. Tá si go deas Bualadh. On Áireacht continued. A. Gia D. Quail. B. Dom D. Lahan. C. Diver D. Lahan. D. Adó D. Lahan. E. Aja D. Quail. F. Guaidóir D. Lahan. G. Diarmuid D. Quail. An Ghaeltacht. A. Guaidóir. B. Bailliúrni. C. An Rin. D. Cathrú Haig. E. An Cathrú Rua. F. Corcagina. G. Na Hillan Áran. H. Rathcairn. An Ghaeltacht. An Ceist agus an Canúd. Cén chuí a bhfuil tú? Connacht. Cad é mar atá tú? Ola. Conas atá tú? Muan. Ag búla le daoine, iver a hen, C, iver a dó, A, iver a trí, A, iver a cathair, C, iver a cuaig, B, iver a sé, C. Cad iad na ceistena. A. Cad is anam dit. B. Conas atá tú. C. Cad é diver telephone. D. Cé tusa. E. An bhfuil tú go maith. F. Conas atá tú. Ag búla le daoine. Dírit. Dia smurgat. Cad is anam dit. Liam is anam dom. Is mis imer. Das Bualadh a Liam. Das Bualadh a imer. Slán go fóil. Slán leat. Lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course are available, along with audio files and links to Quizlet flashcards and study tools. Original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge's website, or edited versions can be found at simplyjacinta.com, links in the description box below. Míle buíochas de Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their permission to use the learning resources that are available on their website. Tá súlagam gur bhaint sibh tanamhas. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Like and subscribe if you got some value out of it.